Hey YouTube, it's your girl Brittany and welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be doing a quick makeup tutorial that I created using Alamar Cosmetics and I am just in love. So I'm going to be going in with Cocoa Taxi and I'm just going to be blending that out on the outer of my eye. Have to be honest, I struggle when it comes to blending, so please don't judge me. I am working it out, and with blending, all it just takes practice, lots of practice. So don't give up, and you'll just be so happy that you just stuck through with it because practice makes perfect, So next I'm going in with Tropical. That's going to be my other blending shade that I'm just going to be using beneath Taxi Cocoa. Now I'm going in with Celia, and I'm using that color, getting in the inner corner of my eye, giving it that nice pop of color. The blending isn't too bad, but I can see where I could intensify the color. So that's where I'm going in with that nice, pretty greenish blue color. And I'm just doing the same thing with my bottom lash line to make it very vibrant. You can see I'm just doing a lot of blending, trying to marry those two colors together to make it look even more pretty and not so patchy. And that's where the finessing comes from. Just, blending that out. And a lot of it takes practice. I think where I struggle the most is finding the colors that will work best and blending it. So I've already put my foundation on and I'm going in with my setting powder by Laura Mercier to highlight that area and make the foundation pop. And there is the final look. So I just combed my hair and there you go. And I pop my lashes on. You guys tell me what you think about this. Trying to be cute? Hey, thank you guys so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share with your family. And till next time, bye.